Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be looking at Holo price. So we're going to see the Holo price right now, and we're going to do a prediction on where we think this coin will go. So right now in the last 24 hours, we see a 27% increase, and it's about at 0.0057 right now. In the last week alone, we saw a 90% increase. Last month, we saw a 308% increase. In the last year, we saw a 1,704% increase. This is one that a lot of you guys have been suggesting as well, so I wanted to take a second to make a video about it. Holo is one of those coins that does have a lot of potential, and like always, I love talking about the coins with potential. So, Holo, or HOT, is an Ethereum token that powers Holo, a distributed peer-to-peer hosting platform for Holochain apps, HApps. Users to host HApps on their personal computers can receive HOT tokens in return. So, sounds good right now. Let's go check it out. So the Holo is a cloud hosting market for distributed applications. It's powered by the Holochain. You can host on the Holo network and earn cryptocurrency, learn about the difference in between Holo and Holochain, and create apps with Holochain for the distributed internet. For the sense of this video, we will actually go to the learn and see what we have to learn. So learn everything you need to know about Holo. Holochain invites people to think outside the blocks, so we understand it may be confusing at first. Let's get started with the basics. So I won't go over all of this, but you can go over the Holo port, Holo not, the Holochain, Holo fuel, hot, Holo, it obviously restarts there. I was going to keep going, but it's a Holo port, Holo not, Holochain, and Holo fuel. And there's a bunch to this. So if you guys want, like always, I do not give financial advice. So before I make my price prediction, I want you guys to do your own research before you invest in any coin. I will never tell you to invest in any coin, and I will never give you the financial advice you may seek. So if you want, you can always go to Learn, and you can learn about the knowledge base, and that's where we're at currently. Or you can go up to the top of their website, and you can go to the community FAQs. This is a great spot to learn about what Holochain is. Holochain is an open source framework for building fully distributed peer-to-peer applications. What is Holo? Holo is a distributed peer-to-peer hosting platform for Holochain apps, a bridge to the new internet. What is HoloFuel? HoloFuel is a Holo's native asset-backed mutual credit currency. HoloFuel has some benefits, and why is it different, and how can I use HoloFuel? These are some great questions for you guys that want to get in more nitty-gritty information and really find out if this coin is for you. So in the last year alone, we saw that 1,700% increase. Do we see an increase to continue on Holo, or will it die out? Well, if we look at the all-time, it's a 690% increase. We see the year, it's a 1,700. So it's pretty much all green. Everywhere you go, it's green. You go to the year, month, week, 24-hour, or the 1 hour. And that is because Holo has a bunch of potential with what they're trying to do. It's a coin that you can mine pretty well because of the hosting D apps on personal computers. You receive the hot token. I guess it's not really mining, but for the beginners, that's what I'll call it. And I also want to say, guys, I know some of you guys ask about why we use Coinbase price chart. It's because we have a lot of beginners on this channel, and I kind of try to keep it as easy as possible to understand everything we talk about here. I try to use the easiest verbiage, etc. But the price does seem to have a big increase to that 50-cent mark, and then it's kind of stabilized about 45 cents. We had another increase to 62, and then another stabilization. It looks like a little above 50 cents, as it's still kind of going down. We haven't had a long enough time to see if it'll continue to stabilize at that 50 cents or if it will start another increase. But if you look at the last week, we could definitely see another jump. I don't think it would be as big as this first jump of 30 cents to 50 cents, but it could definitely be another solid jump coming. I do see like I said, potential in Holo, so I think if it doesn't make a jump, it's still a long-term token to hold on to. I think it does make it to a penny here within March, but by the end of April, I think Holo price I think it could make about 2 cents, 2.50, and that's on a big stimulus checks that are coming out. I think that Holo has what it takes to be a 5 to 10 cent coin by the end of the year, and possibly more. Obviously, I always try to keep it a little bit lower, my price predictions. Holo has a potential to be more than that 5 to 10 cents. However, I think let's keep it as reasonable as possible and just say I think Holo will make it to that 5 cent by 2022. So let's go over the market cap real quick. I don't think I've done that yet for you guys. The market cap is at 956.5 million. The volume in the last 24 hours is at 826.4 million. And then we have the circulating supply at 168.4 billion HOT. So like I said, Holo has a chance to make it to that 5 to 10 cent range by 2022. But let's keep it realistic and go. If we get to 5 cents, I'll be happy. I think Holo has a lot of opportunities in front of them, as they're not even to that 1 penny yet. Investing now is still fairly cheap. It's not much of a risk as long as you don't buy too much, obviously, unless you really do believe in the coin and you do your own research and find out that Hot has what it takes to make it all the way to the top. Then go ahead and give it your all. But that is all we're going to talk about today with Holo price. But thanks guys for tuning in today, and leave a comment if you have any coins you want me to check out. I've been trying to get to all of these altcoins, and there's so many of them that I will never get to them all, but I will try to get to all the comments. And I may not always respond to you, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to make a video. I know I didn't respond to this guy. I think we had a few people asking for Holo. So hope you appreciate the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks again, guys.